Hello all, welcome to Mobile Testing YouTube channel. In this video, let us see how to create an SSL certificate for the newly launched WordPress website. This website is hosted on AWS and it currently has OpenLiteSpeed server running. As you can see, let me show you the SSL of this website. You can see that there is no certificate and this certificate is self-signed. So what we are going to do is we are going to so this is my website. You can see there is a lock and then there is a /n over it, which means this connection is not secure. So we are going to make it to load on HTTPS. To start with, let us log in into the WordPress instance. Once I'm there, I'm going to change myself to a super user, sudo su, and then I'm going to install the certbot package into the instance. Let's wait for a few minutes. This step is completed. Now let me download the certbot. This has been it's already on the latest version. So let's move on to the next step, which is to get a certificate for my website, moviesforecast.com. Let me copy paste it from here. I'll paste all these commands in the terminal, in the video description. Please make use of it. So the first step it does is ask for an email ID. You should give your personal Gmail ID and then click on enter. Once that is done, agree to the terms. You can either choose yes or no here. Yes will share your website with the Electronic Frontier Foundation. If you don't want, you can choose no. This is obtaining a new certificate for the website moviesforecast.com. And finally you can see that congratulations, the chain has been saved to so and so location. So now let us get back to the website and try to reload it again. Let me open a new tab, paste it, and then say HTTPS. This still says that the website is not fully HTTPS. So what we have to do, the next step is copy these two locations which is mentioned over here, which is etc/letsencrypt live moviesforecast.com/fullchain.pem, and the second file, which is private key, is etc letsencrypt/live/moviesforecast.com/privkey.pem. So let us have these two files, these two locations copied to the notepad. Okay, so now let's move on to the next step. We have to navigate into the server directory and then edit the httpd conf file. Scroll to the bottom and you will see WordPress SSL listener over here. We have to change the key file and the cert file over here. The key file is let us copy the first priv key and then paste it next to the key file. Click on I so that you get into the insert mode. Remove the sample line which is mentioned there. Similarly, remove the second line and then paste the full chain in the second space. Again, click on escape, :WQ and then exclamatory mark and then hit enter. Now let us go ahead and restart the web server. First let's stop it and then start it. Now you can see the WordPress has, the LiteSpeed server has started. Now one more step which we have to do here is go to the admin of your account and then click on general. Here you can see the WordPress address URL is still HTTP. Let us change both of these into HTTPS and then save the changes. We have to log in again. Once you log in, you can already notice that we moved on to HTTPS. Let me go to the SSL checker website and then check SSL again. It's still loading. Give it a minute for the results to come up. You can see that we have successfully got the SSL certificate from letsencrypt, and this is a free SSL certificate and it is valid for 89 days. Now let us go back to the incognito mode and then try to load it again. Now when I do HTTPS and then hit enter, you can see the WordPress website loaded successfully, but in the first place we saw that this showed a security warning. Yeah, that's it. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel.